Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today to see what I am up to. I have my Boxycharm, I believe this is my premium box, sporting my Boxycharm t-shirt. This is the second one that I ordered. I had one and was wearing that, and this is a brand new one, and this one is, I guess because the other one's been washed and dried, this one is so big. I'm like, ugh. And I think I did get these in a large when I ordered them last year, so I hope they offer these again. These t-shirts are so comfy. I wear them all the time. I wear my other one all the time, and then I'm like, oh, let me get the new one out. And I'm like, oh, this needs to be washed and dried and shrunk a little bit. But enough about that. Boxy Premium, and yes, so you can see Boxy Premium, a little sneak peek. Boxy Premium is, excuse my voice, $35 a month. You get, I think six beauty products. It could be tools, makeup, skincare, things of that nature. And you get to customize 2 products for your box. I do have my phone, so I can see what I customize, because I can never remember because I customized this one and then you forget. I've already customized for September, so it's like, okay, what did I pick? So, and the cards never tell you, which is fine. Love Boxycharm. It is my favorite box each month and has been for 3 years. I don't think it's going to change. The theme is Go All Out. Cute little card. You do get, you know, product description and price on the back, which is nice. And then here's my card number. I know some people, they explained to me what the symbols meant. But the PM is premium, obviously, and then the other box tells you, numbers tells you the box. So let's get right into, let me just see. I'm going to show you the items that I chose for myself because I wanted them. One I already have and love, so I ordered it again. And this is from Wishful, and this is part of the Huda Beauty skincare line. This is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. It's $49. This stuff is wonderful. Let me just see if I can get this open. Oh, I'm sorry, my back is so bad. And I think I have a pinched nerve, and it is, every time I move, it pulls. So I try not to move like any crazy ways, but I just did that twisting. So let me show you this. Beautiful packaging. Beautiful packaging. I actually love this and was happy to get, I'm going to leave it sealed only because I already have one open, but this is so nice for a moisturizer. I mean, I don't like a thick, heavy cream moisturizer, so this is perfect for me. So I'm happy to have a second one. I think I'm halfway done that one. And I love this. It's not super expensive. I mean, $49, yeah, that's a little expensive, but you do get a lot. This is 1.94 ounces, 35 grams if you go by grams. I love like after shower, arms, legs, just all over. And then sometimes I put it on my face, but I prefer Sunday Riley Title for my face. Bliss, I think it's Drench to Quench. I love that for my face because they're more of an aqua bomb, like a gel aqua bomb, so they're water based. So, but sometimes I do put this on my face. I do enjoy it very much. And then the other item that I chose is from, and I never heard of this company. It's called Vesca, vegan, cruelty-free. This is Stargaze Luminous Glow Highlighting Powder, $28. I figured I would give it a try, see what it's all about. Never heard of them. Don't own anything from them. Cute, cute packaging. And this is the size. Let me see. 0.21 ounces, 6 grams. It has a nice little opening. Let me see if I can get this open. Comes with a little mirror, and this is the highlighter. So I'm excited for that. Let's just, ooh, that feels nice. So there it is right there. I'll just put a little bit on my hand. So you can see it there. Nice. Perfect for me. I prefer more like a matte highlighter, but I've been liking some of the shimmers. So they're the 2 items that I chose for my premium. And then let's do some of the others that are in here. I have from Laruce. And these are face discs. They're worth $24. Wipe away your day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes and cotton pads. So I was excited to get these. And it says white, remove makeup, gray, apply toners and serums. Oh, so you can put stuff on with them. And black to wash your face. And that does say it in the back. I like the cute little case. I doubt that I'll keep them in the case. But these are nice. So they're double-sided. They feel nice. Textures are definitely different. Let's see what the white one feels like. Yeah, a little bit more fluffy. So what was the white one for? To remove, right? Let's close that. Yeah, remove makeup. So that's nice and soft to get it off. I'm happy to have this. Laruce has some fabulous, fabulous brush systems. You can ever get a hold of their brushes. I know last month in the add-ons they had the brush set. I think it was, I'm sorry, my nose is running, $30 or $40, or was it more than that? I honestly don't know, but the brush set was phenomenal. I did not get it. I figured I don't need any more brushes, but then afterwards I was like, oh, I should have ordered that. But live and learn. Could have shared it in a giveaway. This, what is this? Okay, I could try this. I'm not big on adding a ton of product to my hair, but Bumble and Bumble is a great brand. So this is Surf Styling Leave-In. It's UV protectant, gel cream, conditions, detangles, and fights frizz for the softest waves under the skin. Now, I do have curly hair, wavy hair, so I don't generally leave it that way. But if I was at the beach or at the pool, this would be great for that because I don't, I don't need it to be perfectly straight. 5 fluid ounces. I don't know if this probably has a safety seal. Yeah, I can't get that open. I wanted to. No, you can smell through that. Well, that smells really nice. So I'm not thrilled with this, but I'm okay with it. That'll last me a lifetime, honestly. The next item in my box is from Luxe&Willow. And I'll show you the product. And this is Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager, $79.99. The Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Roller will help you achieve that post facial glow without leaving the house. The vibrating tool helps to contour and tone the skin, while the cooling rose quartz sculpts the face and promotes blood circulation. Use with your serum moisturizer to maximize your skincare results. Let's open this up, and now it's sealed. So let's get the trusty box cutter out here. I think I need that, right? Is that totally sealed in there? Yeah. Let's just open this up. Curious about this. Always curious about tools. I don't know how this opens. Is that? Oh, okay. So it opens up like this. It's sealed up there. So let's see if we can take it out the bottom. It's all sealed up. I want to see what it looks like. It's taped very well, which is okay. I'm going to get myself with this box cutter. I know it. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. And let's see if I can get into this without killing myself, Okay, there we go. Oh, no, come out. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, my Lord. Why does it have to be so difficult to get into these boxes? It shouldn't be. Let's... Oops. Oh, comes with... I don't know what that is. Is that like a little stand? So that's what it looks like. There's the quartz. I would assume there's a battery in it. Let me just see if there is or if it needs a battery. Yeah, it looks like you have to add batteries to the bottom, which I do have a whole bunch of batteries. Let's put this part of packaging. So that's interesting. I'm excited to try that and see. I mean, rose quartz is supposed to be very good. I'm not unhappy. I will save all that and read all that. That's $79.99. Then the last item is from Zoeva. Powerful Lip Twist. This is $14. It's a lipstick, and it looks like Helen is the shade, tone, whatever you want to call that. Let's open this up. My voice is very froggy today. That's what that looks like. I don't know if it is sealed or not. Nope. So that's right there. Definitely froggy for some reason. And there it is right there. Good base to add. Maybe I never do one shade. Today I just have one tone on, but usually I do two. But that's not bad. It's like a berry-ish color. So since I have my phone here, I can quickly, I don't know how quickly, because nothing today seems like it's going quickly for me, do some prices, a box thing, total box thing. It would be nice if I could form some words today. Waiting for some deliveries. So I'm keeping an ear out for... Okay, so my value of my box is $224.99 for $35 cost. I don't think that that is horrible. I'm happy with that. I am happy with my choice here and here for Wishful. So I'm happy with these choices that I made. This is nice. I will wear that. That's not a problem. I'm excited for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got, oh, 6. So I'm happy for that. I'm happy to try these. I've tried things like this in the past, but wasn't thrilled with them. But this is a great brand, so I think these might be better and hold up better. The only thing that I could do without is Bumble and Bumble. Could have done without this, received something else. Would have made a fantastic box. I'm always happy with my Boxycharm. Base, Premium, Luxe. I love them all. But like I said, I love everything but this. This I will use, but this is a lifetime supply for me because I don't leave my hair curly or wavy really much. Like I said, usually like if I'm at the beach or if I'm at a pool, because then I don't, it can go, you know, if my hair gets going to get wet, it can have the wave and the curl and I don't care. But trust me, it's going to be straight as soon as I take my shower and wash my hair because I prefer my hair straight. When I was younger, I used to get perms. Then at like 40, my hair changed and became very curly. And it's still curly, maybe not as curly. Wave, definitely, but I can still see ringlets and stuff, and I just flat iron them out. My hairdresser always wants me to leave my hair curly. I let her do it once to scrunch it and leave it curly. I didn't like it. She loved it. I was like, it's okay. And came home and flat ironed it. So I prefer my hair straight. But so that's why this is kind of a waste. Either if I don't think I'm going to use it, I'll put it in a giveaway. But I might keep it just to have something if I want to keep curls, or even just to have a little bit. You know, you never know with me. So I'm 50-50 on that. Love everything else. Tell me what you thought about my Boxy Premium. Do you get Boxy Base, Premium, and or Luxe? Do you get all three? Do you just get one? And Miss Oreo just jumped down. It's early here, so she probably wants to go out. Yeah, good girl. She likes to sleep in. She gets under her covers and just snuggles in. So I hope everyone has a good day, and thank you for watching. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.